Have you ever gazed upon the skeleton of a towering dinosaur and felt the immense sweep of geological time? Or perhaps marveled at a perfectly preserved insect encased in amber? A tiny window into an ancient world? These moments of wonder, connecting us to the planet's epic saga, are precisely what natural history museums are designed to deliver. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey into the heart of natural history museums, those venerable institutions that serve as guardians of Earth's past, present, and future. We'll explore their profound purpose, uncover the incredible breadth of their collections, and understand why they remain absolutely vital in our modern world. At its core, a natural history museum is a repository of the natural world, dedicated to collecting, preserving, researching, and displaying objects relating to natural history. This encompasses an astonishing array of fields, from the rocks and minerals that form our planet in geology, to the ancient life forms unearthed by paleontology, the vast diversity of plants in botany, and the intricate world of animals in zoology. Often, they also delve into anthropology, chronicling the fascinating story of human evolution and culture. Think of them as immense, three-dimensional textbooks, brought to life with actual specimens that defy imagination, offering tangible proof of life's incredible journey. Step inside, and you're immediately transported. Iconic exhibits often include the colossal skeletons of dinosaurs like the Tyrannosaurus rex or Triceratops, which ignite a primeval awe and a sense of wonder at Earth's ancient inhabitants. Beyond these prehistoric giants, you'll discover dazzling mineral and gem collections, showcasing Earth's geological artistry, from sparkling quartz to priceless diamonds. The biodiversity halls teem with lifelike taxidermy, presenting species from every corner of the globe, alongside meticulously preserved insect collections and awe-inspiring displays of marine life. And critically, comprehensive exhibits on human evolution trace our own lineage, connecting us to our earliest ancestors through fossil remains and archaeological artifacts. Yet, these museums are far more than just impressive display cases. They are vibrant hubs of active scientific research and crucial conservation efforts. Behind the public galleries lie vast, meticulously organized collections, often millions of specimens strong, that are invaluable to scientists worldwide. Researchers utilize these archives to study everything from climate change effects on historical plant distribution to the evolution of disease in animal populations, or the changing biodiversity of ecosystems over millennia. This data is critical for understanding environmental shifts, informing conservation strategies for endangered species, and mapping the intricate web of life on Earth. Ensuring these priceless collections contribute directly to solving today's most pressing environmental challenges. Natural history museums are also master storytellers, interpreting the complex narratives of deep time and biological evolution for the general public. Through meticulously curated exhibits, interactive displays, and engaging educational programs, they make complex scientific concepts accessible and exciting for visitors of all ages. Curators and scientists work tirelessly to translate cutting-edge research into compelling visual stories, inspiring curiosity and fostering scientific literacy. They provide a unique opportunity for hands-on learning, encouraging critical thinking and nurturing the next generation of scientists, explorers, and environmentally conscious citizens, bridging the gap between scientific discovery and public understanding. In an era defined by rapid environmental change and a growing understanding of our impact on the planet, the relevance of natural history museums has never been greater. The vast collections serve as critical baselines, allowing scientists to measure changes in biodiversity, climate, and ecosystems over centuries. Data gleaned from these specimens can inform policy decisions on everything from species protection to sustainable resource management. By fostering a deep appreciation for the natural world and our place within it, these institutions not only preserve the past but also inspire a collective responsibility for the future, empowering us to become better stewards of our planet and its astonishing biological heritage. From unraveling the mysteries of ancient life to informing the conservation efforts of tomorrow, natural history museums stand as indispensable guardians of knowledge, educators of the public, and vital centers for scientific discovery. They are truly living libraries of Earth's grand narrative, reminding us of the fragility and resilience of life itself. Have you had a particularly memorable visit to a natural history museum? What exhibit captivated you the most? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this journey fascinating, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel for more deep dives, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure.